This is not the sunny and hot desert I was anticipating when wanting to go on a morning hike. Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to this edition of Borders on Budgets. On this episode, we're in a rain delay in the Tatacoa Desert of Colombia, where I promise when the skies do clear, the red desert, Desierto Rojo, is spectacular.
Slog of a hike.
I'm nuclear free.
Tree branch or part of a log.
Jarka. Sweat. Well, at least the red mud won't show up much on the car's red paint.
Yay!
The vehicles can't make it through the road. I'm going to let the sun dry out the desert a bit before going on a morning hike. This guy is strayed from the flock, but he's not shy, so that's good for the video. Wow, for a desert, this is certainly lush. Amazing what a little rain can do for the vegetation, and it's nice to see how the red of the Desierto Rojo has a backdrop of a verdant landscape. Yeah. This is what I wanted to avoid before going on the track this morning. Wow, the desert must really be muddy if the dirt penetrates through the shoes into the feet. At a modest 330 square kilometers in size, Tatacoa is Colombia's second largest desert and is located about 6 hours from Bogota. Oh yeah, thanks for asking. The itching, swelling, and inflammation, they're all subsiding, so yeah, my legs, they are getting better. To supposedly allow the track to dry from last night and this morning's rain. Also the reason for going out now after 4 o'clock is that the colors will be more resplendent. Amongst the vegetation in Tatacoa is a wide variety of cacti, and what I particularly like at the top of these smaller barrel cacti are these cherry-like or jelly bean-like flowers. If it is obvious as to why this part of the Tatacoa Desert is called the Desierto Rojo, the red desert, the question is, why is the earth red? And simply, it is because of the quantity of iron and manganese, and I'm going to leave a subtitle as to what manganese is, but nonetheless, that's why the earth is red, and hence why we are in the red desert. In Tatacoa, no fertile soil goes unused. Well, if we didn't notice before, the desert has enough vegetation to feed grazing goats. It's time for Cactus Perspective. Here's what's on the ground. Human being height, or approximately. This monster behind it. And way up on the mesa, that monstrosity. Here's a nifty earth formation, really showing off the desert's color and namesake. I'm going to take a photo of this landscape with my phone and then later on edit it into black and white. That will really accentuate the lines and the texture in this earth. It's almost hard to believe these rocks and plants were arranged naturally without any human assistance. regardless, beautiful scenery.
Border.
All right, let's see what all the hubbub is, and we'll take a peek through the hole. There's the hole. Oh, wow. 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 Even with more cacti and red earth, it's spectacular. Goat stampede. Well, here's a fun fact about the desert. Tatacoa is actually the name of a rattlesnake. And maybe just as well that we didn't see any on this hike today. This has been another edition of Borders on Budgets. A reminder, Borders on Budgets. Yeah, this is what I want. People, natural sound, on my not phone. A lot of money. And from the Tatacoa Desert in central Colombia, 6 hours from Bogota. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. Go away, mosquitoes. That canyon is where I exited the hike, and this sign confirms that yes, a Tatacoa is a Serpiente brava y venenosa. Something else for which Tatacoa is famous for is its astronomy. Because there is no light pollution in the desert, as Tatacoa is nowhere near to any cities, and because Tatacoa is close to the equator at 3 degrees north, it allows for excellent stargazing, and in about an hour the sky will light up with stars. Say, did you like this episode? Fantastic. Oof, so did the mosquitoes. Don't forget to help Borders on Budgets. Hit the subscribe button below. Leave a thumbs up if you like it. Share it with your friends, and all comments are responded to. Thanks again. See you next episode.